You help anything.
We are really excited and eager to play the match of tomorrow, because it's a milestone not only for the club, also for all of us, and obviously for all the faithfuls and people from Meghalaya. So we'll try again to do our best performance as we did in the last match, and hopefully we can be in the final. We'll do with our 100%, and we'll see. Hopefully the result can be the result we are expecting. So now, whatever you want to ask,
I want to give to our fans for always supporting us from the first match till the quarterfinals. And yes, tomorrow is going to be a tough match for us, and we will give our best and we will go for a win.
Throughout from the beginning, we have improved from the first day. The problem we had at first was the short period of time we had to face the first match together, because I arrived only 6 days before the first match. So it was a little bit complicated at first to start developing properly all the concepts and movements. We think the team has to have a very clear to face all the matches with the best with the best level of competing. And what happened through the Durand Cup tournament is we have improved little by little, and obviously with no good performances as well, as happened in the first half of FC Goa match. But we could figure out, and I think the result of the performance the team developed during the East Bengal match is the good or is the best reply to show which is our level right now, the current level the team has right now.
Do you think the ground support also?
The atmosphere is amazing. Playing with all these faithfuls cheering all the time from the first minute is a support that all teams all over the world would like to have. So as they are supporting us, we will reply with the best in order to win the final together. So for sure, the support is incredible.
So what are your, how do you treat the opponent?
We have to focus on our performance. Obviously we have to analyze what the opponents are doing, and we've got obviously the assessment of the performance of Northeast United. However, we have to focus on the things we can develop and the things we can handle, and only the things we are having every day with us. Among the players, among the technical staff, are the things we can develop properly, we can handle properly, and we are focused on that. Stronger than the day before, stronger than the day against East Bengal, stronger than the day against FC Goa, and focused on the victory. That's it, simple.
I would like to ask a general question.
The scenario of Meghalaya, the scenario of Sudan. If this is the scenario of Northeast, I would like to be always here in Northeast, because this scenario is unbelievable. It's incredible. I've seen this in Spain many times, but here in India, never before. And what you can feel when you are on the field, feeling the support of those amazing people supporting you is incredible. So we have to reply with the best. They deserve the best. It's not for us, it's for them.